This is the high-powered soldering iron that I talked about building months ago. Finally got around to finishing it. If you'll look how it's constructed, this is a striker from like a torch, like how you light your torch up. These are regular lugs right here, and these are arc gouging rods for cutting stainless steel and higher alloys. Right here was the interesting part, where the insulation had to be there to separate these two. Now, the shaft of these two bolts has got a piece of shrink wrap slid up on them. Okay, and then these little cardboard things, they came off of a ceiling fan. You know how when you put it, or for the ceiling fan blades for a cushion. Okay, so I'm about worn out this battery right here, and I was expecting for this thing just to heat up and let me do some high temperature soldering, because we work to 500 or 600 amps here. But this is what happens when you touch these two together. Now that surprised me of the results of this thing. It really did. So now I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to use this, if I don't have to use a welding hood or what. But it worked. And since I've worn this battery out, Interstate Battery here in Victoria, Texas sponsors me with my battery test. So kudos to Victoria Interstate Battery. Thank you.